Welcome tech enthusiasts to a brand new series of Tech Talk. I'm thrilled to embark on this exciting journey with you as we explore the cutting-edge world of home security. Throughout this series, we'll be shining a spotlight on the TP-Link Tapo range of home security devices, designed to empower you to fortify your living spaces and protect what matters most. From smart cameras to motion sensors, door, window contact sensors, and more, the TP-Link Tapo range offers a comprehensive suite of solutions to meet your security needs. Today, we are kicking things off with something super cool, the TP-Link Tapo PTZ Home Surveillance Camera. Imagine having a camera that lets you see what's happening around your house, even when you're not there. That's exactly what the TP-Link Tapo PTZ camera does. It's like having an extra set of eyes to keep your home safe. This camera can move up, down, left, and right, so you can see every corner of your house. Plus, you can zoom in to get a closer look at anything that catches your attention. It's pretty neat. In today's episode, we'll show you how to set up this camera and walk you through all the cool things it can do. Alright, folks, it's unboxing time. Today, we are starting our adventure with the TP-Link Tapo PTZ camera. Let's see what's inside this box. Carefully open the box by lifting the flaps on the top. Inside the box, we have the TP-Link Tapo PTZ camera itself, along with the mounting bracket, power adapter, and user manual. Everything we need to get started. First, let's take a look at the quick start guide. This handy booklet will walk us through the setup process and get our camera up and running in no time. Next up, we have the mounting accessories. This includes the mounting bracket guide sticker, which helps us make precise holes in the wall for mounting the camera, as well as the wall bracket and mounting screws. Here's the power adapter, providing the necessary power to keep our camera operational around the clock. As mentioned before, the package contains the mounting bracket along with screws to securely attach the camera to the wall. And finally, we have our very own TP-Link Tapo PTZ camera unit. Sleek, sophisticated, and ready to capture every moment with precision. Now that we've unboxed our camera, let's move on to the setup process. Stay tuned as we connect the camera, configure the settings, and demonstrate its powerful features in action. First things first, let's get the camera powered up. Simply plug the power adapter into an outlet, and then connect the other end to the power input of the camera. After that, just wait for the camera to turn on and get ready for use. Below are the steps to get started with your new camera. Step 1. Download the Tapo app. To begin, download the Tapo app from either the App Store for iOS devices or Google Play for Android devices. You can also conveniently download the app by scanning the QR code provided in the Quick Start Guide. Step 2. Log into the app. After downloading the Tapo app, open it on your device. If you already have a TP-Link ID, log in with your credentials. If you don't have a TP-Link ID yet, you'll need to create one. Simply follow the on-screen prompts to create your account. Once you've logged in or created your account, you're ready to proceed to the next step. Step 3. Set up the camera. Now that you've logged in, it's time to set up your camera. Follow these steps carefully. In the Tapo app, tap on Add Devices or select Add Device. And then search for Tapo C70 or whichever is your device model number. Plug in your camera and wait for about 30 seconds until the LED blinks red and green. Once it does, click on Already Red and Green and proceed to the next step. Now, go to your phone or tablet's Wi-Fi settings and join your camera's network named starting with Tapo_cam. Once connected, return to the Tapo app. The app will start searching for your camera, which may take a minute or two. Once the camera is found, connect it to your home Wi-Fi network by entering the password. Click Join on the pop-up window, and the app will start pairing your camera. Make sure the LED stays solid on during this pairing process. When the pairing is complete, give your camera a unique name and set a location for easy identification. Finally, click Next to complete the setup. The complete page indicates that the camera has been successfully added. Tap Done to start using your camera. Thanks for tuning in to GadgetsPod and checking out our video on the TP-Link Tapo PTZ Home Security Wi-Fi camera. Installing, setting up, and using it is a breeze. Keep an eye on our channel for more exciting videos featuring other Tapo security devices. Don't miss out on the latest tech insights and tips to keep your home safe. Remember to subscribe to GadgetsPod for more awesome content.
GadgetsPod, exploring technology.
Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a casual consumer, or a professional in the field, GadgetsPod aims to empower you with the knowledge and expertise needed to navigate the ever-evolving world of technology.